Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Southerners on Tour. Just going to do a little review. So the camera I've got is a Pocket 3. I got some little gifts the other day, so just going to show you. Yeah, just go through a little unboxing. Hold on a second. I'll just turn you around. All right, guys, we're back now with you. So this I got. It's a Pocket 3 DJI Osmo, and it's a waterproof sealed diving case. And it says on here it says tempered glass lens, waterproof up to 45 meters. Do you reckon you should trust it? It's a lot of money to put underwater. Dustproof, shockproof, shatterproof. Well, I don't think I'd be using it underwater, but I think what it is, when I go out with the Pocket 3 and it's raining, it's a bit of a pain. So obviously you're sort of hiding the camera under your coat. So this could come in quite handy. So I'm going to give this a little unboxing. So I haven't looked at this yet. I got this the other day. I don't know if you can see that, guys. It's quite big. It's like I could probably get in that myself. I could fit in there. Be like a little diver. Would you trust that underwater? So anyway, if anyone's seen the Pocket 3, I probably got the wrong one. Imagine that. But yeah. So there's a little clippy on the side. When I used to work for BT, used to have like little waterproof joints. Clippy joints we used to call them. Oh, it's very tight, like me. So it's a nice seal around there. Now I might have to swap onto my phone to show you the camera in there, but I'll do that a bit later, maybe towards the end of the video. So yeah, it sort of does the job. I just want it really so I can carry on filming when it's raining. There's really nothing worse than it starts just spitting. Yeah, so that's a nice little case. Snaps up there. So that's that. I don't know what else you got in. Well, guys, I did forget to film this. I do apologise. So this is that case here. Problem is, I've put this back on. Will it go in? That's the. You get the idea. It clips up like that. And that's on now. And now you can control it. Not really working out how I wanted it. Might have to have a little read later. But there's one of them cleaning tissues in there, so oh. And there's oh, you must be able to fit it. That looks like, you know, the GoPro has the same sort of a fitting, but oh right, okay. Just looking back at the box. I don't know what you can fit it to. Maybe a tripod or something like that. Yeah, selfie stick. So yeah, that's all right. Well, that's the diving case. So I'll be going diving later. Up to 45 metres. Oh, that's a long way down. Right, that's that. Put that over there. Also, what else we've got here? I probably won't get these out. I don't know what this is now. I think these are like filters for the Pocket 3. So different colours, like for different settings. So I've just seen a ship go past. We're staying here on the Isle of Wight. They've got like a good view, a very good view of had cruise ships go past. Anyway, go back. Right, now this is a protector, because nothing worse on the front scratching your screen. So I'll get that put on. And this is quite good. Look at that. So this is still obviously for the Pocket 3. You can put your iPhone in there, or I suppose if you've got a Samsung, possibly that. I don't know if this is different makes for Samsung. It doesn't say on there. And then you put your Pocket 3, so you've got a bigger screen. So let's have a little one tape of this. Pack that up nice, isn't they? Hopefully I should have a video coming up of this holiday park we're staying at, Woodside Bay on the Isle of Wight. So look out for that video when it comes up. Make sure you are liking and subscribing, because I have seen some people have said they haven't unsubscribed. I think it's YouTube, so and give some of my content a watch for me, please. Trying to get up to the old 4,000 watch hours. It's like a challenge in itself. Just have a little binge watch. If you are a subscriber, you know I do a bit of everything at the moment. Hence, I'm doing a little unboxing. Do the holiday parts. Try and do a bit of food reviews.
Be nice.
Cool. I don't know if you've stayed with me.
Shall we do it?
Alright, here we go. There's the camera looking now. Still good, eh? Alright. Taking me so long, I forgot what this is. Nicely packaged up. Phone there. It's a big old unit. So the old Pocket 3 goes in there. And somehow, what do you reckon, there's any instructions? It's good instructions. You just all work it out for yourself.
That screws into there.
Right, let's just put you on pause a second, guys. Hold on a second. Right, guys. So, work this out. There's no instructions, but that come off the back. This screws on. You can see that. This is screw on there. And you don't need a screwdriver. You just need nails. Right. So here. Screw that on. Right, so that's now on. I'll straighten it up a little bit. Then I'm going to try and film it and show you guys. I'll have to maybe get another camera. So then your phone goes on here, possibly. Alright, so you'd have your pocket free, and then you can have a bigger screen, see what you're filming. I don't know how it actually if it connects. Or so I suppose you could use your camera on your phone and the pocket free. I will find out what the idea behind it is. I know obviously it's a mount, but that's the pocket free. Ooh, it's alive. Yeah, I might have to do a little Google on that, unless anyone can translate that. It's in Chinese. But yeah, no, give it a go. So your pocket free must slot in there. Oh, there you go. Opens up at the back. Alright, so I'm making this up as I go along. Right there, see that's the grippy joint again. What's that? So maybe I'll do a little screenshot of it and I'll insert it in. I don't know what this is though. It's like from Flash.
A flash, yeah.
So yeah, I might have a little Google if I can find out any more information. On there you can put your tripod or your sort of selfie stick as well. So I'll be going like that, like that. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So, but I'll find out exactly how the two work alongside each other, and maybe I can stick that in the video. Did also get a little memory card from Samsung, 256, so a bit of storage there, so that's good. And also got a USB Type-C port. This is a little flash drive, 512. So if it gets caught with your I don't know, your iPhone and you need to take some stuff off quick, if you don't want to back it up to the cloud, so I've got a little flash drive, that's handy. Anything I do need to find out, I need to get like a little holster, because I know I'm going to lose that. I'll lose that. So that's that.
Yeah, no one's up there.
Let's have a little look at these. What is this?
Has to protect your screen.
Oh. Oh. Right, screen protectors for your pocket free. Oh yeah, they go over the camera.
And you've got a back one as well.
And I think in this one there's a back one.
Yeah, there are. A long one.
Oh, yeah. Get them put on later. Well guys, that was just a little unboxing. I don't know what this one is.
It's like filters.
Oh yeah, this is filters for giving different when you're filming different lights, you know. Yeah, well thanks for watching. If you have stayed with us, Southerners on Tour, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just a little unboxing there. So I'll be putting it up, maybe a little screenshot how it's all working. I'll do it off another phone, another device, and I'll put the link in. Thanks for watching anyway. Thanks guys, Southerners on Tour.